I'm going to do something different from the usual AI topics. Let's look at Artemis II mission and the cool tech highlights. Artemis II is the first crew mission in NASA's Artemis program. It's designed to return humans to lunar orbit and set up future landings on the moon and beyond. This mission follows Artemis' first mission, which is an uncrewed mission, and paves the way for Artemis' third mission, which aims to land astronauts near the moon's south pole. Space Launch System, or SLS, which is the most powerful rocket ever built. See, the Space Launch System is the heavy lift rocket that will take the Artemis II crew toward the moon. Here are some key facts. It combines solid rocket boosters and advanced engines. Higher launch thrust than Saturn V, that's Apollo era. Designed to carry crew, cargo, and habitats for deep space. This rocket is built to handle deep space missions, not just low Earth orbit like SpaceX's Falcon or NASA's own shuttle. Thirdly, Orion spacecraft, deep space crew capsule. See, the Orion capsule carries the astronauts and is equipped for life support for long duration flight, radiation protection, deep space navigation, re-entry protection from lunar return velocities. Inside Orion, astronauts can live, eat, sleep, and perform missions tasks for a multi-week journey. Fourthly, Advanced Communication Systems, or T2C network. Artemis II relies on NASA's TDRSS, that's Tracking and Data Relay Satellite System, plus deep space networks to maintain contact with Earth even at lunar distances. This allows live voice and telemetry, high-definition video transmission, real-time mission control monitoring. For a mission that's 384,000 kilometers away, that's no small feat. Fifthly, navigation with deep space precision. Unlike Earth orbit, the moon doesn't have GPS. So the mission uses onboard optical navigation, autonomous star trackers, ground-based tracking. Together, these help Orion find its way around the moon and back. Sixthly, radiation shielding for astronaut safety. Deep space is filled with dangerous radiation from the sun and cosmic rays. Artemis II uses advanced shielding materials, monitoring sensors, mission planning that avoids high radiation periods. This tech protects astronauts on a longer trip than any since Apollo. Seventhly, environmental control and life support. Keeping astronauts alive and healthy means managing oxygen and CO2 levels, temperature control, waste recycling, food storage for longer journeys. It's like a miniature Earth's atmosphere inside the spacecraft, and it must work perfectly. Finally, a bridge to Mars and beyond. Artemis missions aren't just about the moon. They are providing ground technologies for Mars' mission, including long-duration life support systems, deep space navigation, radiation mitigation, human performance in deep space. Everything we learn here helps with the next giant leap. Here are some fun facts breakers. Artemis II astronauts won't land on the moon. They will orbit it and return. The mission will travel farther from Earth than any humans have in nearly 50 years. Orion's heat shield will face temperatures hotter than molten lava during return. I hope that's useful. I'll see you in the next podcast.